of subjects in 2 sectors in Benin City. With the kind permission of His Royal Majesty, the Great Oba of the Great Benin Kingdom, it is my singular honor to invite the CEO and the MD of the Prince Builders and Real Estate Developers Limited to please address the palace. Oba Atope, Serene Omerige. Yes, sir.
Enime oi Omerige, Siri. Mame estate Edo, Mabime Lagos, Kek Abuja. Kirimaki where since 2007. See now where my estate I won no, my estate I were in estate without dating manari do me egwa do me daddy. So in manari. Oba Atope.
The prince, the prince, expecting Otavia, away our here with Waka. Well, we know what about it, and we have him. Who I am already died. Well, now money only Lamario. They do I am already died. They told me I believe I me at all. Oh, I believe I me at what? And I will. You need my video. Around the young man, or no man of my wife. Ekinudona, a passe on the no have any room when Eruni na we no ka na no ni do afu egbe. Obanika ami we eruni ya fe na we no nanu. Nana mi we ama ni wo da o da iwere o. Undi yuwe undo wo kan unda be gbe we. Imine ki o gbe na kinana. Ki o gbe ya. Ume we do ki we ko. Keke anuna do ki no fu egbe. Na tamawe. Ariwe wo mo. Ariwe wo mo egwana. Wa no ahia. Evinike ya fe na no we do no we au negwa kian ya unu e wa leri diwa wetin a leri egwa wetin bo egwa so po mai ziba igwa li bare ne na do ahun we EFCC gi gwa lo kian e police gi gwa lo kian ba mana we ni ro enu ya ziba ne EFCC na gwa lo kian le ade gwa yo ba eti ba ade ti oni wa we lu o agari we wo mo ba we kwa ni ngina ne ki nudo no mwayo ri ata se wa we se wana do ri egbu e ma na e da wa heni we ka na I be the principle ma ka heni wo egene Frank do ya akowe do ya ta ayega na do heni we abi ni ma ya fe wa ya mi en ya o wa ari e mo bazelu mani asie mo adi committee we odo abi bi we to bi simi oto egbin oto simi oma asimi oto ma ri do ta we asimi oto simi oma iye pe we do yi sai gbo igwe ko ki ai ma ne oye ra digwe ne wa ama ya Mata ne wa ya gbe o. Yo we fún ni wa egbe, yo fún bi oba egbe. O ko wori na.
Today we can't see the Oba because for the past 15 years, 2007, now we do this business of giving solutions while building the relationship. Now for the past 15 years, we turn tenants to landlord. And Benin will be our headquarters, and we don't do over other states. We did for Lagos, we did for Abuja. We say we go come for the new estate we want open now for Agbo Road for Adwan community. Now we say we come meet the Oba. We come let her know say see we did this community for the past 15 years. With the peace when you say you don't make us get for this Edo state. Before if you hear say about land matter, wait to be say me they feel they confidently they talk for radio and television say no more is a chair, no more is a table, no more CDA. Now the Oba now make can they possible. So for that reason, I say we come tell and say thank you. So now we come to them to let her know say we do open our new estate for Agbo Road for Adwan community.
We come Oba Palace because Oba Palace now our home and Oba is our father. So we come here come take blessing from the Omonoba. And the blessing, we'll be taking the blessing, but this one a special one because more blessings still follow him. So we will keep on coming here because this one our home, now our palace and our father, so we'll keep on coming.